welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to show you a squishy collection of all the main size squishies that I've made so far. The first one I actually made a year ago and it's like the worst squishy ever, so I'll start with that one to get it out of the way. And it is this avocado squishy. As you can see, it's a little bit messed up. I don't really know what happened to it. I think I dried it with a fan and then the puffy paint kind of like all bubbled up and went weird, but I still think it's kind of cute, so I've kept it. The little stone pip seeding thing on the avocado did go a little bit funny, so I do actually want to remake this squishy as it was quite popular and I know a lot of people were like, that squishy is rubbish, and I know the squishy is rubbish, hence I want to redo it. So that was that one. The next one I have is this watermelon squishy. I absolutely love how this one turned out. It's super squishy and it is also quite slow rising. I love its little face on the front and its little seeds. I did seeds on the back as well, and yep, that's that one. Next I have this little panda bun squishy. I kind of like how this one turned out as well. It's not really slow rising, which I'm not really sure as to why. A lot of people asked why this one wasn't slow rising, as I did use memory foam, but I just don't know. Like, the memory foam was more slow rising before I put the paint on, so I don't really understand what happened with that one, but I think it's super cute anyway, and it's super easy to make, so yeah, moving on. Next is this little cactus squishy. Focus. Hello. Okay. I actually love how this one turned out. This one here I think is one of my most, well, I think it is my most popular squishy video. I think it's got like, I don't know, 30,000 views, something like that, which is crazy for me as I don't get a lot of views and subscribers, so yeah. Here's this one. It's really slow rising. Look at that. I just think this one's great. I don't know what happened with this one as I painted it the exact same way as this one, but this one here just didn't work out. I just really love this one. The only thing is though, this bit here always gets stuck, but you can just kind of like peel it off. See, like that? It just sticks to it. I don't know why, but just look at that. It's just so perfect and so slow rising, and I love it. And I love his little face. And it's so cute. Will it focus? Please focus. There we go. Love him. Here's Mermaid Pasheen. I super love how this one turned out. She did actually have a little yellow flower here, but that kind of fell off. I mean, I made this one almost a year ago as well. This one isn't that slow rising. I think that's because I used loads of little bits and I had to cut them up and stuff to get her body and everything, but I like it anyway because I actually think this looks quite good. I mean, I know it's my squishy and I made it, but I do actually think it turned out really well, and it's the colours of Pasheen and I think the face kind of looks like Pasheen, so yeah, I really like how that one turned out. Next I had the Ebi Fry from Sumiko Garashi, and I absolutely love this one. This is definitely my favourite character from the whole of the little cartoon. I just love it so much. I actually made like a little bag charm of this squishy, and yeah, I love that too. I've still got it on my backpack. I love it. This one is a bit hard. I don't know what I did here or why this turned out, but it is still super squishy. You can just squish away, even though it is a little bit, it's just a little bit hard, but I love it. There's that one. Next I have this heart squishy, which I made for Valentine's Day, and I actually made this one a couple weeks ago as I knew I had loads of videos to post near Valentine's Day, and this one here turned out really good. It turned out nice and slow rising. Let me do it this way. Just look at that. So slow rising. I'm super happy with how this paint turned out. I think I mixed this one with glue so that it actually came out really shiny. So it's just puffy paint mixed with PVA glue, and yeah, it just made it super slow rising. As you can see, it is still rising back up to the original shape, and yeah, I really like it. There is actually like a little lip here in the middle, like you can't see it, but it's kind of like a little bump in the middle where I used hot glue to stick 2 pieces of foam together, but it doesn't matter because I kind of like hold it like this, and it's just like perfect size for my thumbs. So yeah, that's the little heart squishy. I'll leave that rise back up down there. Next up was this unicorn squishy. I'm super happy with how this one turned out. I probably wouldn't have done these 2 little nose bits if I was to do it again because I think they're kind of ugly, but I kind of just like how this one turned out with its 4 little legs, tail, mane, its little horn. This one is quite squishy. It's not slow rising. It just pops kind of straight back up. Again, I don't really know why. So happy with how it turned out. I think I probably could have done a better job, but yeah, happy unicorn squishy. Next up was this small squishy I made a couple of days ago. I'm super happy with how this one turned out. It's not really slow rising again, but it is super cute. Its face, it's got a tiny, tiny, tiny mouth. I really love how the chocolate turned out by using different kind of paints, so you can see that in the description below. And yeah, I just love it. I think it's really, really, really cute. And then lastly, I have this milk carton which I made to fill with slime. I actually took the slime out because it went really gross after like the first day, and then after a little while it started to go really, really thick and sticky and just not nice, so I threw that out. But the squishy itself I've kept because it is really nice size and you could just get your hand around it and just like squish it. And yeah, like it's just real squishy. So there was that one. And then lastly was the little cereal bowl that I made in yesterday's video. This one here has got a little creased up because I went crazy squishing this. Like, this is so fun. Like, it's just the perfect to get your hand in here and just like squish it. It's so fun. And I kind of just ruined it, but I think it kind of look like a little brain now. An idea, I could do a brain squishy. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this little guy turned out, especially when it's filled with slime. So the video where the slime actually turned a little bit sticky after using this milk one, but you kind of understood the effect if you used to make it yourself. Yeah, I'm just really happy with this little bowl. I think it's so cute. So cute. I just love his little face so much. Look at that. Just so cute. Yeah, and that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I just really wanted to show you all of these squishies together because I've never actually done a full-sized squishy collection, and as I haven't really made that many, I kind of felt like I couldn't do one until now. So how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So maybe next time, like when I make 10, I'll do another squishy collection video, or yeah, so maybe I'll be making, that's kind of a good idea. Yeah, maybe every 10 squishies that I make, I'll do a new update or a collection or something like that, because I really like showing them and I really like watching squishy collections. Is that weird? Oh, this will be a thumbnail. Maybe I'll use this as a thumbnail. Oh, look at all their faces. Sit up there. There we go. Thumbnail. What else do I want to say? I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed over the past couple of days and really over the past couple of weeks. Like, I've really noticed an increase in subscribers. Obviously I only have like about 3,000, but I think like 400 came in the last, I don't know, like 3 weeks, which is absolutely crazy to me. I've also noticed like loads more commenters and stuff like that, so I'm really appreciative. I try and respond to everyone as much as I can. So if you have any questions, any requests, just anything that you want to say, really just comment it down below. Yeah, so if you have any requests for any more squishies, just let me know, as I do actually make requests if I kind of like them or have the materials for it and everything like that. So yeah, just leave that in the description below, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Bye!